Is there a way to play 20 notes in just one single pick strike? I'm Christopher Dahl, and today I want to show you a very cool concept for building modern phrases on the guitar. I'll also be showing you licks with tabs, and we'll have a lot of fun. So first of all, what is this magic technique? Well, it's none other than sliding. Oop! Hold a minute, Chris. That's not innovative. Well, have you thought about what sliding means? Sliding means you're picking one note and then just through a simple motion, you can add 20 more chromatic notes. Try doing that on the piano. And by the way, see you in 40 years. So the thing is, as guitarists, with the way the notes are laid out on the string, it is very easy to play something extremely difficult just by sliding. Now you should make use of that to make your playing sound much fancier without learning anything new and extremely difficult. But okay, let's say you've never done sliding. What is it? We're picking one note and then we're sliding upwards or downwards or both. Now when doing that, you're throwing in a flurry of notes that again would be very hard to do on any other non-stringed instruments. But what if this is not working out for you? What if you're not getting any notes when sliding? Well, it could be that you're applying excessive pressure or just focusing your pressure in the wrong way. So, if this isn't working for you, try putting the hand down, relax it for a second, try again with a slightly different posture. So moving the thumb down or upward here could help. And do that a whole bunch of times and see if you notice a difference. Generally, you want to apply just the amount of pressure needed to produce a note. Once you have the basics down, let's look at some cool ways of using sliding. Here is a major pentatonic lick in E that you can use for sliding. So this kind of thing is using sliding on at least 3 places. And it adds beautiful ornament to the lick without you being really able to, identify why it sounds cool. A lot of times you might have a favorite guitarist that does things which you just can't replicate. And the reason being, lots of these tiny nuances and tricks are being used, and you just can't identify them, with your eyes, ears, or even tabs. So in this example, we're sliding up to the 11th. And we're walking up in the major pentatonic scale. And then we're sliding from the 11th fret to the 13th fret. Finally playing that 12th fret on the B string. Then we're doing the same thing. Now here's a variation of that where we're being a bit more aggressive with the sliding. Which to me sort of hints at that kind of Steve Vai thing, but not quite. And this kind of thing, in one single sliding motion, uses both upward and downward sliding, which requires a little bit more from you technically, but on the other hand is a very rewarding thing to do. Now finally, if you just want to add those 20 notes, you could slide from the 1st fret all the way up. Chances are you're going to cover 20 notes there because most guitars at least have 21 frets. if you want more of this, I've produced a lesson on the GMC website which breaks down many more of these concepts so that you can fully use the potential of sliding in your own playing. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Cheers!